Hello everyone, this is Bo with Workday Ninja, and if you and your team are managing your projects and tasks inside of Monday.com, you have more than likely experienced what I'm about to show you. So what you're seeing here is essentially every single one of your team members going in and creating their own view on your project so they can see the tasks that are assigned to them. I'm here to tell you there is an easier and better way to go about this, and you can prepare for it up front so your team does not feel the need to create this going forward. Let's go ahead and jump in and I'll show you how to do this. All right, so what we're looking at here is an accounting backlog that we have put together inside of our Monday.com account. And you'll notice here at the top that we have our main table, which is just our standard table view that comes with every board that we create. And then from there, we have 7 additional views that have been set up by different team members. Now, the reason that they're doing this is they come in here to this particular backlog, and they don't want to have to sort through all of the items that are listed here to see the ones that they're responsible for. And furthermore, they don't want to have to sit here and filter it every single time they come to this view. So they've just created their own filtered view so they can pop in here and take a look at it. Now, I know what you're thinking. They do have their My Work screen here to where they can see all of the items assigned to them throughout the entire account. But for whatever reason, this still happens on a regular basis. You're going to see this happen. You're going to see new views pop up in there. So it's best to try to get out in front of this. Now, this is a very simple setup. The way that they're doing it, again, is they're just going in and creating a new view, and they're creating an advanced filter with them set up as that filter, right? So it's showing the owner is and that person's name. So here's what we're going to do to keep this from happening to you. So I've created a new accounting backlog here, and I've stripped it of all those views. We're going to use an assignee or a people field, condition called Me Dynamic. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. So I'm going to come right here to this filter. I'm on my main table view. I'm going to come to this filter, select the drop down. I'm going to go down to Owner Is, then I'm going to select Me Dynamic, and I'm going to select Save as a New View. I'm going to go ahead and name this Assigned. Let's say tasks assigned to me. All right, so what this Me Dynamic allows us to do is it means that any user, regardless of if I have access to their account or not, which I shouldn't, but any user is going to be able to come to this particular view and only see what is assigned to them. So dynamic means that, yes, we are currently in me mode, right, on this particular view, so that any user that signs in and comes here, it's going to read it as I only want to see tasks or items that are assigned to me. So this is a great way to keep those big list of views from happening at the top of your boards, and you can kind of confine it to this. Furthermore, if you wanted to do something even beyond this, you could easily come in here and go ahead and duplicate this. And I've seen folks that do this quite a bit. They just want to pop into the project and see what's due for them that week, right? So they could come in and say, due for me this week, right? And they can come in and they can add an additional filter. Is this week, and they can save it to this view. So now, anytime the user comes here, they can select due for me this week, and they can see any items that are due for them this week, or they can select tasks assigned to me and be able to see those as well. So again, we went from having 8 views to now having 3. And then to further that, you can come up here to your individual board permissions, and you can change this to where all they can edit is the board's content. So they can't come in and edit its structure. They can't add any views. They can't add anything like that. You are limiting them to only editing the board's content. All right, well, that's it, everyone. Creating these dynamic views is a quick and easy way for you to be able to ditch those personal views, keep your boards clean, and keep your team members happy. If you found this video to be helpful, please go ahead and give it a like. And if you like seeing videos like this, where we give you tips, tricks, and best practices that make your workday easier, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.